Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of March 26, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Today, the elementary report cards will be going home in the backpacks for in-person learners and mailed home for virtual learners. This is for the elementary school only. On Wednesday, March 31st at 6 o'clock p.m., we will have a virtual open house for next year's kindergarten students. Parents will be presented with lots of kindergarten information and can virtually meet the teachers and administrators. Please let any friends or families with incoming kindergartners know. Please email me at scooper@pbmalantana.org for the Google Meets link. On Friday, April 2nd, there is no school for the spring holiday. Friday, April 16th, there is no school for students. It's a teacher workday. Here is the middle school testing information for both virtual and in-person students. This is the elementary testing information. Remember, it is very important for your student to participate in the state testing. Please make sure they have a good breakfast at home or at school and are well rested. Ms. Murphy asked me to let you know about a secondary community service opportunity. Students can volunteer to help place flags for fallen vets. Students and their families can participate in Flag Placement Day at the South Florida National Cemetery on Sunday, May 30th, 2021. Then the flags will be removed on Saturday, June 5th, 2021. Every year on the day before Memorial Day, volunteers place flags on the gravestones of our veterans buried at the South Florida National Cemetery. This cemetery is one of 13 national cemeteries across the nation whereby we have the privilege to honor and to remember our veterans on Memorial Day. If you're interested, please let Ms. Murphy know which day or days you can attend. State-of-the-art smart boards have arrived at our school. In the coming weeks, we will have them installed in every classroom on both campuses. This will surely be a wonderful piece of technology for students and teachers. The month of March is set aside as Women's History Month. This is the time when we celebrate all the amazing accomplishments of women the world over. The secondary campus students and teachers created a Women's History Gallery, highlighting the accomplishments of women in art, math, science, journalism, leadership, politics, entertainment, and many other fields. Next week, we will have the elementary pictures. Here are pictures from the secondary school. Ms. Borsina's first graders are observing caterpillars and are reading about how to take care of them so they can build their chrysalises and transform into butterflies. Here's Ms. Fisher and Mrs. Smith, formerly Miss Roop, to discuss her favorite Baccarat gallery picture.
Hey guys, it's Miss Fisher again, and I have another special guest here. We have Miss Roop sharing her favorite. All right, Miss Roop, go ahead and tell everyone about your favorite Steve McCurry.
All right, this is my favorite picture. It's a Madagascar, and it's my favorite because they just look like they're having a great time, and they're at one of my favorite places, the beach, and we see the ocean.
Very relaxing. Thank you, Miss Roop. All right, have a great day, and we're going to keep sharing our favorites.
Please remember, enrollment for new students is open and spots are filling up fast. Please be sure to pick up your elementary students by 2:45. Late fees are starting to be collected. And finally, here are the Sharks of the Week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.